since we left Pine Ridge. Right now, what time is it? 3:26.
Yeah, it's
3:26 fast time, so 2:26 slow time.
yeah.
About fucking 2 o'clock. Wow. 3 o'clock. So what they blow them up? They say.
Yeah. Even, I guess Iran even confirmed it too. So
If Iran confirmed it, then yeah, it's true, I guess.
well, no, they're still trying to confirm it from other sources.
Yeah. pushing it, isn't it? No, it's about 25 miles, right? To a gallon. 28. Is it?
Yeah. About 25 miles.
Look it up. Look it up. See how much it is. 2.0. Shit, or 2.
When did it go? When did it turn on?
Dropping into fucking Tater Town.
To what?
Potato Creek.
Oh, okay. Should be good then.
14 miles to Longley. You have to stick out. David's the second one behind us. You have to fucking wait him down.
17 miles, 18 minutes.
It's 17 miles from fucking. It's
From
only
where we're
3
at right
miles.
now. Yeah, from where we're at right now.
Oh, okay. Potato Creek. Dropping into Potato Creek was probably about 3 miles ago, though.
Another 30 miles until she dies out on us.
Oh, that would be so funny, man. We're gonna catch this shit live. Marcus. Oh, shit.
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts calling me. Oh, shit. Fuck those scammers over there, man. They just fucking dialing any number. Seeing what the fuck.
Need donations for the Democratic Party.
Oh, is that where they're from?
Yeah.
Massachusetts. Yeah. No.
Is my donation gonna help win the election? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Money doesn't.
Ain't gonna do it. No. Unless it's probably going over to Somalia.
Yeah.
You think so? 30 miles?
Yeah, 30 miles.
Why did you ever die out in this bitch
Yeah,
before?
I pushed it, man. Fucking 30 miles. From Denver or whatever. That's the one where I was telling you. That's
Oh, yeah,
what that
that-
little convenience store on the out of middle of nowhere saved me. It's like, man, it's like 30 miles.
It was the same one.
It was the same one, yeah. That we
Okay.
went to.
Alright, that's fucking good news. Might have to stop there again. Seems like we're always stopping there anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what that store reminds me of. Saving me from running out of gas. Kind of felt like off a
Why
joyride.
where the fucking low fuel light kick on?
Yeah, it was like almost. The low fuel? Shit, probably about like 15 miles before. Yeah, around that.
Okay, so
And that
about
was
the
going-
same distance we're going.
Yeah.
Maybe
That was
we're
going
pushing
like-
it this
Yeah.
We're pushing it this time.
Yeah.
So what? Go straight up to the store then?
Yeah. Let's go straight up to the store.
Because we're gonna die out. Still got 14 miles, and that's fucking road like this, up and down, up and down. That's why I'm trying not to accelerate like as much, but you have no choice going up.
Up these hills.
Yeah. But when you're going down, then we gotta slow down for Marcus because out too. I just know today's been windy. Man, look at a tree, see how windy it is.
Call mom and let her know.
No, don't get her all worried. Shit, we can handle her. We'll call her when it happens. What's David's? So you got a fucking Facebook? Get on Facebook. Fucking call him real quick. You got him as a friend, right? David, you're right behind us. We need you to pick us up. We'll jump in the back real quick and continue. Leave this where it's at. Because mom don't got no damn fucking no room in her little tiny car for me and you. Anyway, we'll have to jump behind David's pickup. And he's behind us two people. So that's my only way. We'll just pull this off while, that'd be the fucking plan. Pull this off as far as off as possible. And then take our fucking run and get our fucking shit. And just jump in the back. Because you got your jacket. I mean, fuck, we can handle it. Just jump in the dick. Just start leaving. Ran out of gas. Take us to the store. Put him on the spot. Fuck, Dave got money. Dave always got money. Plus, it'd be an experience if we ever were to deal with something like this. His mom don't know David. Shit, no one talks to mom. Only one that's reuniting mom with the family right now is Marcus's death right now. Before Marcus's death, she's no good. No good to everyone. It's good though, as she says she wants to have family back together and stuff. The only one that's gonna do that is her. You know what I mean? She's the only one that could do that. By calling us up or by sobering up or whatever. It's her that could bring us back together.
She's the one that caused it. She's the master.
Yeah, like me. Like with you too. Like fuck trying to fucking still till today. Fuck, every day's a fucking new day to be better, I think. Just as much as you try to be better, be better than yesterday. Yeah, like right now I'm not even accelerating, I'm just coasting, yeah.
Turned on at Potato Creek.
Yeah. Dropping into Potato Creek.
Okay.
Yeah. Kind of like dropping in between Potato Creek and Richards. That Richard house. That's like fucking 20. How much does this get to again? Anyway,
34.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh. No problem then. Should be okay. But it's probably the wind and just the fucking road too, man. The road is really rough. This one's starting to get rough too. No shit.
Yeah.
What were they? V6s or what?
I think I ran out of gas in Eclipse.
That was a V6. That was a good car, man. You should actually buy another one of those. Or we'll just follow these guys in. Then we'll have someone take us up there later, and with the gas can, if need be. You know, we'll just go and if we make it, because it's starting to feel like we're like yeah. This is gonna suck. Oh man, we should have fucking went straight, but I should have got gas. Fuck at Big Bats while we're waiting. Come on. But who was thinking then? You know, I wasn't thinking then. I forgot. I forget. It's been a windy bastard too. That could be contributing for it. How far is it from Harold to Pine Ridge?
From here to Pine Ridge?
Yeah.
85 miles.
No, from Harold to Pine Ridge. I'm just trying to get a good mileage on this. And make sure it's the route we took too. Really? Then plus the fucking 90 from Wombly to fucking Pine Ridge?
Yeah.
Through cross country?
Yeah.
So that
232 miles. Pine Ridge to Wombly. 83 miles.
83 to be exact.
Yeah. 315 miles.
Wow. Round trip?
Yeah. From Harold to Pine Ridge to Wombly.
What? I forget. Remember that time they took this fucking drive-through away? Took it away. It wasn't there. Like, what the fuck was that all about? Whose car is this? Who is that?
Bandit.
Who? Who is that? Oh, is that fucking Wilcox?
Probably.
that's not Geneva. Geneva's behind us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone else. That was a nice car, by the way.
Ford Focus.
Oh, Tony. It's been 9 years now. It looks like that fucking fence is still jacked up, too. See,
Yeah.
they never did fix it. Right there, see? Yeah. For that semi, you can still see the engraved thing.
Yeah. From the tires.
Yeah. One thing I got to say though about Marcus, at least he's had a good heart, you know. And we have another angel looking down on us. You think we're gonna get served with food right away?
After the services, yeah.
Why is there gonna be services?
Yeah, whatever we do, we stop and put them in.
No, I know that, but the priest, there's a priest there.
Yeah.
Are you doing the services? Marcus put you on the spot. You have to do the fucking.
I can't. Holy Mary. I think I know how to do that.
All you do is just read out of the Bible.
I think every bead. And then when you get to one, then you make a prayer or whatever.
Yeah, you know it.
I don't got rosaries.
I got this. Marcus got a rosary.
The rosary. That's what it's called, the rosary. Tweet Trump's on fire, isn't he, man?
What do you mean?
How successful he is.
earlier, isn't it? Oh shit. Man, you guys just going too native, both of you. Knock it off. You guys do love Trump deep down inside. Those are Malibus, right? Off to the right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Malibu.
It's not a Malibu, it's a Corsica.
Of course they fuck. that old school.
A Chevy Lunima.
Just think those were cool back then. Even that Alero was cool back then too.
Well, that was if you owned one of those, it was like owning a Mercedes.
Even this car right here, what is this one?
Ford.
That's a fucking Hyundai. Fuck, I don't like Hyundais, man. Where the fuck Hyundai come from? Yeah, you know? Japan? Oh, okay. Well, I guess they probably okay. They're probably good cars.
Or, hold on. Hyundai. I think Japan or Australia. Because I know Mitsubishi's Japanese.
Gotta say though, that Japanese, that's Japanese is good still. That's why they say Hondas are pretty good, and they're pretty simple to work on too. I heard Hondas. Just like this Ford Focus in front of us too. I bet this Ford Focus is simple, just like this car. This Chevy right here, this Malibu we're driving. I think I want to own a small engine car. I was thinking big, you know, but after a while that's gonna be too expensive. So I'm actually switching up. I'm thinking about getting it'd be nice if I could find a Ford Tempo. You see that white Ford Tempo cruising around fucking Pure? You know, I wonder how much one would cost. Would be like probably a lot now.
Yeah.
Depending on
Classics.
yeah.
Crazy old school cars cost more than they used to first came out.
Yeah. That was a 1.8 liter. Damn, just think, fucking we used to put $5 in fucking gas in here. That would fucking last us all day sometimes, you know, cruising around and shit. There's that car in front right there. That's a nice car too, whatever that is. Ford?
Yeah.
You think?
Hyundai.
Yeah, it almost seemed like a fucking foreign car. Oh, it is a Ford. Oh, Kia. What the fuck?